brought us here. We are not to do their case for them. As the Supreme Court noted a few minutes ago, in their original application for the Supreme Court to review this matter, they did not include the addresses for service of the 141st to 178 respondents. And in law, if you bring people to court, you must serve them. It is not for us who are also respondents. For Senator Kabiru Marafa, the first respondent to the 140th respondents, it's not for us to serve their own documents for them. It was for this same reason that this case was adjourned 2 weeks ago, or more than 2 weeks ago. I thought by today they would have put their house in order. So that is making us again to come back. But in all honesty, I thought this is an application they should quietly withdraw without much ado, based on the decision of this same Supreme Court in the case of PDP versus Joe Barakuma, Romania, just last week. I thought, going by the doctrine of stare decisis, judicial precedent, I think this application ought to have been withdrawn. But we shall see what they want to do with it, is their case. If they want to be Jesus Christ that has the capacity to wake up a Lazarus the second time, even when Jesus Christ was doing that, he did it after 4 days, but they want to do it after 10 months, we shall be here to see. Thank you. It has now been adjourned to the 17th of March, 2020, for us to come back and argue the main matter. Yes.
I'm Mohammed Bello Bakaswa, the Publicity Secretary to Senator Marafa APC faction in Zamfara State. As you can see, as you are all aware, this case is entire PDP affairs. It does not involve PDP in Zamfara State or PDP government. And by the look of things, the way things is going, by God's grace, the victory is by Senator Marafa, inshallah. And I'm now beginning to convince what First Lady is saying, the First Lady of Nigeria, Aisha, that something is happening. Some people have taken over, and I'm convinced, and I will use this medium to call the attention of our state, our national APC National Working Committee, to put its party in order. If not, we are in danger. 2013. Thank you. 2023. Thank you.
What kind of danger? What kind?
Yes, because as you can see, if there is no stability in the party, in fact, there will be a fruitful result during the general election. This is a pure pre-election, a common pre-election in one single state. National party cannot fix it. We are here for review. And filing for a review of a Supreme Court judgment on pre-election is an abuse of law. If you don't know, we have to know. And a ruling party is abusing its law. Its administration is very bad. So we are calling enough is enough. Oshumole should put our party in order. There is a sense of confusion in our party, APC. Thank you. I'm Bello Bakaswa Maradun, the Publicity Secretary to APC that belong to Senator Marafa.
The problem is this: the history of how this matter came to the Supreme Court shows it was an intra-party conflict. And as you can expect, that conflict is still, permeating the conduct of the case, in the sense that some lawyers don't want to receive, some want to receive. But as the court rightly pointed out, I will take two alternatives. Those of them who are not ready to cooperate with us, we will withdraw their names from the case. But as my Lord always said, I should ensure that I serve all of them, since their names appear in the process, the originating processes, which we will do. We have no problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
John Henderson from the United States of America, Chicago, here to do business all over Nigeria. We're here to observe what's going on here, because what's an injustice in one part of the world is an injustice everywhere. So we're concerned about it, and we're interested in knowing the facts so that we have the same situation in the United States in terms of balance of power and making sure things are appropriately done. And so it's important that it's done well in Nigeria as well as it's done in the United States. So we're here to observe and want to be helpful and bring about the best for the people in Nigeria. And for Zamfara State, of course. So,
Thank you very much.